to transfer Apple Pay to Cash App. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can transfer money from your Apple Pay to your Cash App in the easiest way. So first of all, what we're going to do is we're going to need to understand that there's no direct integration or link between them, okay? Because most apps do have providers where, you can go into Apple Pay's, payment methods, and you might find a way to send all of your money to Cash App's account, but the thing is, nothing like that exists. So what's the alternate that we have to go with? So the alternate that you have to go with is in Apple Pay, you're going to get an option to add a bank account. So you're going to go into your settings and it says below bank accounts, click add bank account or add another bank account. Okay, after that, what's going to happen is that you are going to go ahead and add a bank account that you will also be able to connect to your Cash App, and same goes with your Cash App. To add a bank account to your Cash App, go to your settings, scroll down to linked banks, and once you scroll down to linked banks, actually link the bank. Now, once you link the same bank with Apple Pay that you have with Cash App, what you're going to do is you're going to send money from your Apple Pay to that bank that you have connected with these two. Now, once you've sent the money to that bank, you can easily go ahead and withdraw the money from your bank account to your Cash App. And that is basically how you're going to transfer Apple Pay to Cash App. I hope that was helpful. Let me know down in the comments below, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.